There are thousands of YouTube channels that are designed to help you excel at photography and videography, most providing product reviews and tutorials on every aspect of content creation, but none are dedicated to showing you how to monetize these skills. If creating content like videos, motion graphics, and photography is your passion, but not a majority of your income, then there is a serious problem. Because today we live in an era where every business needs video, motion graphics, and high quality images for websites, training material, social media, and other things. So many of you have the ability to create great content. Why aren't clients hiring you to fill those needs? This channel is designed to teach you how to monetize your skills and position yourself to attract clients of all sizes. Your ability to understand your market value while building your personal brand is the difference between making a few dollars on the weekends and creating a six-figure lifestyle that you love. You are good enough right now to supplement your income with your passion. It doesn't matter if you're creating content with an iPhone or an Alexa. The only difference between being a pro and an amateur is your understanding of the business side of what you do. You have to realize that you're a content creator. And our goal is to build a channel around the business side of content creation, providing valuable information, industry news, reviews on gear and online services that can help you build your brand and increase your production value right now. In addition to this channel, we've launched Flash Film Academy, an online learning platform that includes specialized courses that are designed to help you take your brand to the next level. You've invested so much into your passion. It's time for you to get a return on your investment. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell to see the latest videos. For more information on how you can receive your free advanced online course, join our email list at flashfilmacademy.com.